me look at the finished part.
Alright, try number 10.
Fires!
I heard fire. Good job, Wayne. Alright, tranny's out, motor's out. Lowered bus. I wish it was that easy. So there's the bus with no axles. Just threw some tires up under there to see what it would look like. Alright guys, motor is out. Look at that. Good job, Wayne.
Thank you.
Alright, what's next? Tranny?
Wire brush, maybe?
Oh yeah. Alright, tranny's out. Motor's out. All kinds of leftovers. They definitely drove this thing a lot in like muddy roads because everything is just covered in mud, which, you know, maybe kind of preserved it a little bit more too. I don't know. We're working on getting this gas tank out right now. We're going to get this back cover off. Get the rest of this suspension out. We couldn't get the we bent the shit out of my this is a 3/4 drive. Bent that bar with like an 8-foot bar on it, trying to get this nut off. So we're gonna just move on for now.
I need a deep well 13. We're having getting this gas tank out of here and these straps.
All right.
I need a vice grips and a deep well 13 to hold on to that strap.
All right, we just took this gas tank pan off, and they had this little hole here, and then there's a corresponding hole back there. So we're wondering if maybe they had a gas heater mounted over here or something at some point. And then I see there's some more. Get some light up there. Looks like some more rat's nest up there. That's the same blue stuff that was in the dash.
That's a nice gas tank.
All right, gas tank is out. Well, it looks in there. Need to get a flashlight.
Oh, look at it.
I don't know, we need a flash.
Yeah, this is the one at the other end. Boy, golly, that's pretty doggone good. Not bad. I mean, it's
Yeah, it does look pretty good in there.
yeah. Let's see what the bottom look like though. Yeah,
Yeah, shine, get the. Yeah, look at that.
that's the back bracket over there. It's that back bracket. Take your light out of there, or take your flat out of there. Yeah, that's the back bracket. The bottom's
A little bit of surface rust, but actually it looks pretty good.
bottom's not horrible.
That must be a baffle right there.
That's a baffle.
Yeah. Can't really see the bottom.
Need
Sucker bit in there. Huh?
Need the spotlight.
Yeah.
The other one that had the light on the end of it.
Yeah. Oh, there's a little bit of rust right there.
Yeah, there is.
There it goes. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh sure. Yep. Gonna need a little tank clean out.
Yep.
Lowered bus. I wish it was that easy. So there's the bus with no axles. Just threw some tires up under there to see what it would look like. And that's pretty low, but I feel like it's gotta go lower. Let's go look at this roof. Oof. A little crusty. Crusty but trusty.
Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you know the drill. And if you have any questions or comments or any insights on some of the stuff I'm doing, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And I really appreciate it. I read every one. So see you at the next one. Peace.